So I'm working on a Happy Jack bed system. You ever have that issue? I think I figured it out. So going up it makes the noise. Going down it's nice and quiet. Okay, here's after my little fix. No more banging, no more clanging. So what I ended up doing is roughly from the gear chain height, I put a block of wood in right under here. You can just barely see it. Glued it in with some rubber cement, both sides to hold the chain up, because it was the chains clicking together. So I took several different wood shims to try and figure out what I needed for height, and that's what I used to make up my pieces. Held them up to, like I said, rubber cement or weather strip adhesive. So give it a try. You don't have to glue it up there. You can stick the boards up there, give it a try, see if that fixes it for you. Adjust the height. It worked for me. So and where I got this idea is I was reading on a forum, they suggest putting foam up there. I think the wood's going to last a little bit longer than the foam would. But it's no worse than a tension block on an old piece of equipment that was wood back in the day. It eventually will wear, but it's an easy fix. We definitely did try the foam route though.